Hello, let's do a quick unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. We're gonna also check what we can find inside the box, what comes with the box. So let's get right into it. Let's quickly open the box. Of course, inside the box we can find the device itself. This is nothing unusual, of course. We will get back to the device just in a bit. But for now, let's check what we can find inside this paper box. So of course, over here we have this paper box. And what we can get inside is of course this pin for the SIM tray. And nothing around, so let's open the box. And there we go. Inside, of course, we can find a bunch of papers and the USB cable that we can use to charge our device. Unfortunately, the power adapter is not included inside the box, so we cannot really use it. We have to purchase a power adapter individually, or we have to use a power adapter from our previous device or any other device, in fact. And this is how the device looks like. Let's take a look at the back. Of course, over here we have 3 camera lenses. We have the flashlight as well. On the right side, we can find, of course, 2 volume buttons. In the power button, we have a pretty unique, I would say, shape of these buttons. They stick out just a little bit. It looks pretty interesting. The device feels really light. It's not heavy at all. On the left side over here, we have this SIM tray, so we can insert our SIM card. At the bottom, it looks like this. We have the USB input or the port. And I believe this is the microphone, although I have to check that, so don't take my word for it. And something that seems to be a speaker. Let's also check the top, and over here there seems to be something that looks like IR blaster, but once again I will have to check, so I won't maybe say right now. But you can see we have this dot. Of course, we have the front camera over here. I'm not sure if it is visible. I don't think it's really that much visible on the camera, but this is how the device looks like. So that's pretty much it. So we won't get any case for our device. We won't get a power adapter as well. So if you're looking for those things, then you have to buy them separately. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.